Welcome to this Drexel Libraries tutorial on searching PubMed clinical queries. First, access the database by clicking on the PubMed Clinical Queries link from your Refresh Library Guide. PubMed Clinical Queries is a specialized subset search within PubMed, a free database from the National Library of Medicine. If you don't already have a MyNCBI account, I highly recommend creating one, as it allows you to save searches, set alerts for topics you are interested in, and preferences for your search interface. To create one, simply click Sign in to NCBI, and it will prompt you to log in or create a new account. Now, let's perform a search using our PICO question concerning the 10-year-old girl, asthma, and the influenza vaccine. We will search asthma and influenza vaccine. Our results are split into three sections: clinical study categories, systematic reviews, and medical genetics. For our evidence-based medicine search, we can ignore this last medical genetics column. If medical genetics are something you are focusing on, you will know if you need this column. We're more interested in the first two columns. This middle column pulls articles that are indexed as systematic reviews, similar to how the Cochrane Library functions. Sometimes there will be overlap between the two, but both databases will give you slightly different results. So, if you are interested in systematic reviews, it is worth looking in both databases. These results also include guidelines and meta-analytic items. Finally, this first column is filled with articles that fall under the clinical study category. Examples of articles here will be individual trials, cohort studies, and the like. It also includes systematic reviews and meta-analytic items. Within this column, there is also a way to initially refine your search. You can change the category of study between things like therapy, prognosis, or etiology. You can also narrow or broaden the scope of the search. A narrower search will give you fewer, but possibly more refined, results. This initial results page will only show you the first couple of results. You can see all of them by clicking See All. For those of you familiar with PubMed, this results page should look very familiar. It has the same format of a typical PubMed results page. From this page, you can filter your results even further. The filters are here on the left-hand side. Some of the more useful filters are actually hidden. By clicking Show Additional Filters, you are offered even more options to narrow by. Let's add languages, sex, and ages. Our PICO questions can really come into play here. Let's narrow our search. We want more recent information, so let's limit to publication dates in the past 5 years. Our patient is female, so let's select that as well. This is an inclusive limit, so it will only exclude articles where there are no female patients. It will still include trials with male and female patients. Our patient is also 10 years old, so let's narrow to children. We went from 381 to only 29 results, which is a much more realistic number of articles to review, especially since these articles are much more likely to be relevant in answering our question. One thing to be careful of with these filters: ignore the text availability filter. PubMed is a free database that anyone can use, and this filter is helpful for those who want only articles anyone can read. Because you are affiliated with Drexel, you have access to many more articles through our subscriptions, so this filter option can unnecessarily get rid of articles you have access to. Now, let's look at a specific article. This fourth one looks promising. If we read the abstract and decide this article is one we want, we can click up here in the right-hand corner where it says Get It Drexel Full Text. This is another reason you want to go through the library guide page to access these databases. You wouldn't have this option if you just searched PubMed clinical queries. Clicking this link will take you directly to the article. If Drexel doesn't subscribe to the journal, it will instead take you to an interlibrary loan request page where you can fill in your details and request the article from another library. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using PubMed clinical queries.